Sky Country Journal, Bringing Montana to Montanans, presents Montana's 64th legislature. The Capitol building is filled with historic art, and one piece was recently returned to the Senate chamber.
I have asked Senator Hamlin, who played a large role in returning this picture to the Senate, to give us a bit about the past today. Senator Hamlin.
What we have is a monument to time in the past. When the land belonged to God, it was commissioned in 1914. As time progressed, they had financial difficulties, and it was offered up for sale for $450,000. Its insurance value is $15 million. If it was to sell on the open market, it'd probably sell more like 30. It's recognized as probably Charlie Russell's best painting.